The Bose SoundLink Max combines big speaker energy, portability, and lasting power so you can turn up the vibe all day and night. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the handle with a new handle or carry strap. The handle on your SoundLink Max makes picking up and carrying the speaker super easy. You can replace it with a different colored handle or with a stylish rope carrying strap. To order any of these optional accessories, visit support.bose.com/sl-max and then click Accessories. To remove the handle, turn one of the grommets counterclockwise 1/4 turn and then lift to remove it. Repeat these steps for the other grommet. To attach a new handle or carry strap, align the notches in the grommet with the contact in the opening and then place the grommet inside the speaker. Turn the grommet clockwise 1/4 turn until you feel a click. Repeat these steps to attach the other side. That's it. For additional support, visit our website.